Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ready to conquer those sweet cravings and stick to a healthy diet? Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about triggers. We all have those moments, boredom, stress, loneliness, or even depression, that make us reach for unhealthy snacks. Recognizing these triggers is the first step in managing them. Instead of reaching for a cookie, try going for a walk or picking up a hobby. Next, grab a journal and start tracking your food intake. You'll be surprised at how much you can learn from writing down what you eat and how you feel. Compare it to your schedule to find patterns and pinpoint areas for improvement. Healthy substitutions are a game changer. Swap out those chips and cookies for fruits, veggies, or nuts. Not only are they better for you, but they're delicious too. Keep them handy at home or on the go. Meal planning, folks, it saves time, money, and your health. Spend a little time prepping meals in advance and you'll have healthier choices ready to grab when you need them. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now let's talk labels, nutrition labels that is. Get in the habit of reading them to make informed choices at the grocery store. Look for key information like serving sizes, sugar content, and ingredients. Mindful eating is another powerful tool. Eat slowly, savor each bite, and really pay attention to the taste and texture of your food. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control portions. You'll be amazed at the difference this makes. Bored with your usual meals? Explore new recipes. There are countless cookbooks and online resources full of exciting dishes that'll keep your taste buds happy and healthy. Here's a fun fact. A 2007 University of Pennsylvania study found that the average American meal was 25% larger than the same meal in France, while vegetable portions were 24% smaller. Portion control is key, folks. So let's recap. Identify your triggers, journal and analyze your food intake, make healthy substitutions, plan your meals, read nutrition labels, practice mindful eating, and explore new recipes. You've got this. With these strategies, you'll be well on your way to beating those sweet cravings and sticking to a healthy diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, everyone.